Hi everyone, this is Dr. S.M. Badger and I welcome you all to the second session of Aristotle. So last class we saw about what are the things where Aristotle was born, and what are the things he logically made, and what ideas he implemented on mainly on poetics and other forms of poetics. Here we ended with logic. That is, logic came from the Greek word logos, and which sometimes translated as a sentence and disclose reason, rules and ratios. Logic as the study of principle of correct reasoning. So this how here you can see how Aristotle tells about the logic with the reasoning, how it has been the principle of reasoning. That is, you can see here, sometimes it is translated as a sentence of discourse, and many times it is a reason. That logic is reason in Aristotle's point of view, and it is mainly actually quite a controversial matter when it comes to logic. So here Aristotle mainly focuses how logic can be reasoning through the reasoning matters. So this is how he defines the term logic. With this, Aristotle was the first systematic study to catalog the rules of correct logic reasoning. His logic is important because it dominated all Western thoughts, including scientific thought, until the 19th century CE. It is also enormous influence of the development of Jewish, Christians and Muslim philosophy. It is still influential today. So you can see many things, not only Christian or Muslim or Jewish, many other religions or regions that became a literature, and all they belong with the first systematic thing called Aristotle. So everyone is a disciple or a learner through which they came through Aristotle's works after 19th century. So all the other types of logic system exist. Aristotelian logic is still a powerful tool which is used to teach reasoning skill in numerous academic disciplines. Like I said, the many people nowadays, even till now at present, many of them or even in future, they will refer to Aristotle because they are the Greek philosophers which mainly focused and they only implemented how it can be used with the words of Aristotle and many other legends like Plato and many, because they had a different thought of views. But here it comes, many people they refer to Aristotle and how the words it became. So they form the rules of telling how the logical system can be come through, because when you write a poem or a work, it should be in a logical form. Yes, that's what they corrected the logical reason here. So he says that is in his logic, Aristotle established three laws of logical thought. That is, the first law is law of identity. So here each thing is inseparable from itself and is being one just mean this. A thing is just itself and not sometimes something else. Example, a soccer ball is a soccer ball and not a kitchen stove. So here you can see the logic here, that the law of identity. So everyone has an identity. Sometimes this is expressed as A equals A. That is logic. Sometimes, for example, we can say here no means no. That we can't say it as yes. So here the law of identity, here it comes through when he tells about a soccer ball. That soccer ball cannot be a volleyball or football or anything. It is just a soccer ball. So the fact we are... Hi everyone, this is Dr. S.M. Badger. Today we are going to see about Aristotle. Aristotle is a philosopher and he was born on 384 BC and died on 322 BC. And he studied at Plato's Academy, Lyceum, and he was born on Straglia, Greece, and he died at Cassius, Euboea, Greece. He was a Greek philosopher and polymath, and he was also a student of Plato and a teacher of Alexander. His great writings cover many subjects including physics, metaphysics, poetry, theatre, music, logical, volleyball, or football or anything. It is just a soccer ball. So the fact here